In this video I'm going to show you how to send a TikTok video to multiple persons at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok app and let's say I want to send that video to multiple friends. So all I have to do is just hit there add share button, and where it says send to I can hit add more, and from here I can select multiple persons from that list, and then I can just in one click on send button send this video to all of that persons. Also I can add there a message if I want, and add here some emojis. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.